Welcome all to the new episode of Cyber Awareness Program. I'm Vivek Menon. So, can we say about what is cyber security?
Cybersecurity means whenever we're talking about issues on cyberspace and securitizing our cyberspace, the cybersecurity. What is cyberspace? Everything that deals with your gadgets, digital gadgets, including your mobile phone, your laptop, your computers, your camera, and your internet and cloud space and all those things. So any kind of issues that happens on this particular cyberspace, and when we talk about the security of that space, it is called cybersecurity.
So, how does this mean for an IT professional?
Mean for IT professional in the sense, IT professionals, their core area is cybersecurity and IT security. IT, that is the main core area for them. So what we need to actually talk about is whether it is only for IT security or IT professionals or for others also. Cyber security basically talks about securitizing entire transactions on the cyberspace. So it's just not for IT security or IT professionals basically. Though you can say that IT professionals need to know more about it than the others, but then it's like, everybody needs to know about the traffic rules before you transact on the roads.
So, what is the current situation of cyber security in India?
In India, we deal with cybersecurity with a provision called IT Act 2000. The Act came into place in the year 2000. It was publicized in the Gazette in the year 2002. So we're talking about a 20-year-old act to deal with all the crimes or all the illegal activities that happens on this particular space. And this IT Act also talks about the offences along with the penalties or misuse of this particular cyberspace also. That is the beginning point of cybersecurity as far as India is concerned. How equipped we are in this space, I would say not very much. We do lag behind many countries as of now, as far as the technical updations or the legal updations are concerned. But yes, we are at par with many other countries in that way. So I would say we are still sort of a 20-year-old child behaving. That's the kind of age or maturity that we're talking about cybersecurity in India. Likewise, in most of the countries, maybe a gap of 5 years this side or that side.
Okay. So, what are the what are the careers involved in this cyber security?
Career opportunities in cybersecurity are umpteen. Every year you can say there are specializations or wings being developed as far as cybersecurity is concerned. So initially it was just one cyber information or security officer which was being looked into in every organization. But now we will be, India is definitely talking about a global, if you look at it, we are looking at least more than 200 branches from cyber aware analyst, cyber law consultant, penetration testers, vulnerability testers, even penetration testers and vulnerability testers, they are also segregated with specializations these days. So the opportunities that when we are talking about for tomorrow, they are umpteen in number for every student to explore what kind of opportunity or what kind of expertise they will be looking at. So I would suggest that every child or every student today should think about cybersecurity in one dimension or the other. The first thing, primarily because you need to know how secure you are when you're transacting this particular if transacting in this particular space. So you need to know how you need to handle this particular space. So every human being today needs to talk about or think about cybersecurity, though not as a career option. For any career, this is required because you need to know what kind of data you are handling, how you can manage your data, and how you can be safe, and how you can keep your environment safe also along with this particular thing. So that is the beginning point of it. Now, and the other people who want to take up career opportunities in this particular sphere, the engineering-based students, the IT-based students, they can always look at the technical opportunities that are available from programming, hacking, and penetration testing, vulnerabilities, assigning the network security, developing packages for security option, etc. So all these things are technical based career opportunities that anybody can talk about. And there are a lot of universities also coming up with a lot of courses these days in India as well as abroad. But in India itself, we are seeing a lot of change in the past 2 years at least. Then there is a legal system which equally grows alongside the technology. The lawyers and the law enforcement authorities, that is another area for children who want to look at cyberspace as their career opportunity. So cyber law is another one area. IPR, intellectual property rights in cyberspace, is another vast area which definitely talks about a global phenomenon or a global career. You can have commercial laws, contract acts, business laws, even management today talks about things involving cyberspace. So if you want some tidbits about career opportunities, it's very difficult to give you in 4 or 5 points. But cyberspace is something which is really tomorrow's business.
So how can a child or a student can come into be a part of the cyber world?
I don't think there's any student today who's not part of the cyber world in one way or the other. So every child born today is born in the cyberspace. We don't have an option today. We're all living on that space. But again, thinking about whether you are capable of getting into the career as cyber and working in the cyberspace, again, like I said, any person who thinks about any career today needs to think about cybersecurity. So that's one aspect. The second definitely is, it depends on the child's acumen. It doesn't mean that, if I am good in maths, somebody else will be good in maths too. No. It would be like, it definitely depends on the personal acumen of every student. So we can only throw light and show them the vast canvas. It's for the child to actually evaluate themselves and then get into the space. And if you actually use your search engines very meticulously and for the right reasons, you can see a lot of online workshops, online questionnaires, online quiz programs or evaluation programs on the cyberspace again. Every child who wants to know what is my core area, what area that I will be able to perform better, it is always advisable that you take up such kind of small workshops or seminars, or you take up your online questionnaires, do it, and then you will know what or which area better suits you. Probably read up a little more on that. I mean, these days information is not like, it is unavailable or you need to seek and run behind it or anything. It's at your fingertips. So I think every child today, first thing they need to do is learn to use this particular search engine and cyberspace for the right reasons. So go about doing all these online tests, evaluation processes for a better understanding about yourself. And that could be the start point of you getting into the cyberspace or cybersecurity.
So thank you, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you.